Much better experience. The link is right there. How long did it take to get comfortable with sketching skills? I think I realized I was okay when I was sketching when I was in my second year. And that's when it really started to click. I didn't come up with this, but I'm going to teach you something. So, one of the reasons people get frustrated with drawing. Okay, I did not come up with this. This is from a professor of mine. But one of the reasons people get frustrated with drawing is this. So let's say you start out here. This is your skill. This is time. Okay, might be years, whatever. Could be minutes. I'm just kidding. It's probably whatever measure you want to make. So let's say you start out here and you're plugging along and you're practicing and you get frustrated because you don't feel like your skills are going like that, right? So you get frustrated, but then something magic happens. You hit this point and it's like boom, everything starts to click. And when everything clicks, you kind of get this boost, this burst of skill. It's like, oh yeah, I can do this. This is a lot easier than it was before. But what inevitably happens is you hit a point where you're like, oh, I'm not getting any better right now. The trick is you have to keep practicing over time. You have to keep practicing. You're going to hit another point where you increase in your skill. Okay. Now, I'm not saying or suggesting that in life this is by any means like a direct proportion relationship or anything. Maybe you have smaller jumps here and there. But what I can tell you is true, and I've seen this myself. Even I did a stream a while back where I was like, yeah, in the last year I feel like I've gotten that much better at certain things. But if you hit this point and you're like, yeah, I'm the business. I'm not saving the live streams to Instagram anymore, so if you want to catch those, check it out on YouTube. Thank you for watching, however. If you hit this point, I don't like Facebook. So if you hit this point and then you don't practice, what happens is you drop in skill. Okay, you drop in skill, and then you find yourself you might be better than you were before. And you're like, oh crap, I gotta practice again. So you practice, right? And so it's kind of like this. It's not that inconsistency is always going to hurt you, right? This is always going to hurt you. Threshold concepts and plateaus, pedagogic terms. Thank you, Lions. You're much better than I am at words. So my point in sharing this with you, this nugget of information, it was transformative for me because when my professor shared this pedagogy with me, it just clicked. It absolutely clicked, and I thought, I have to practice. If I want to be as good as my professor was at the time, it's like I have to practice. So every day I would sit there, and I'm doing it still today.